Did you know that the average iPhone user drops their phone at least once a year? And guess what? It usually ends with a cracked screen. If you're using the iPhone 16 Pro Max, your screen is too precious to leave unprotected. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Welcome to AllCasesHere, where we bring you the best of the best in phone accessories, and today we're diving into the top screen protectors for your iPhone 16 Pro Max in 2025. We want to know more. Oh, we'll explore the latest and most durable options, all designed to keep your screen flawless. You won't want to miss this. You can easily grab them through the links in the description below. Trust me, your iPhone will thank you later. Let's get started. On number 5 is Ferilinso Full Coverage. Did you know that your iPhone screen could be a target for prying eyes at any given moment? That's right. But what if I told you there's a screen protector that offers the ultimate privacy and protection for your iPhone 16 Pro Max? Let's talk about the Ferilinso Full Coverage Privacy Glass. First off, the privacy features are top-notch. We'll go straight into your phone for a risk-free protection glass. First off, the privacy features are top-notch. This protector uses advanced materials from Germany, giving it a 25-degree privacy angle, so when you glance at your screen, no one else can see a thing. Whether you're on the subway, in a coffee shop, or at the office, you can trust that your personal info stays just that, personal. The Ferilinso protector wraps your iPhone 16 Pro Max screen in a seamless 101 3D curve. A bit of the textra crap truth in the national is literally invisible, blending perfectly into your device, while ensuring the edges are fully protected from dust and scratches. Plus, it works with almost all cases. The 9H Plus tempered glass is a game changer. It's unbreakable, scratch-resistant, and more durable than traditional protectors. Your iPhone gets an extra layer of defense, making it tougher than ever. Number 4 is UltraGlass UNBREAK. Did you know your iPhone screen is one of the most fragile parts of your phone? Now, imagine a screen protector so tough, it can survive a 12-foot drop. Let's dive into the UltraGlass UNBREAK and see why it's one of the best iPhone 16 Pro Max screen protectors of 2025. The UltraGlass is made from 9H Plus tempered glass, the same material used in aerospace and military tech. What does that mean for your iPhone 16 Pro Max? A shatterproof, scratch-resistant, and wear-resistant shield that's 7 to 8 times tougher than regular screen protectors. This protector doesn't just talk the talk, it's been tested to withstand the harshest conditions. With over 50 military-grade tests, including 220 pieces of impact and 8,000 plus drop tests, the UltraGlass is built to last. Drop it, scratch it, or bump it, this protector offers the highest level of protection for your device. You'll never worry about accidental damage again. On number 3 is Spigen tempered glass. What if I told you that a screen protector could actually enhance your iPhone 16 Pro Max experience? Let's talk about the Spigen tempered glass, one of the best iPhone 16 Pro Max screen protectors for 2025. Made from high aluminosilicate tempered glass, the Spigen protector is built to withstand everyday drops and scratches. Whether it's your keys in the pocket or a sudden slip off the table, this protector has got you covered, preserving your iPhone screen from damage. But it's not just about protection. With Spigen, you get total clarity. The glass offers high-resolution display quality, making sure your screen's vibrancy and brightness remain intact. With maximum light transmittance, watch videos, or browse with zero distortion. The touch response is lightning fast with no lag. Swipe, tap, and scroll with the same ease as if you weren't using a protector at all. No stress here. The EZ Fit installation kit makes setting up a breeze, ensuring a perfect, bubble-free application every time. Number 2 is Tocol military-grade Shatterproof. What if your screen protector could survive even the toughest drops and impacts? Let's talk about the Tocol military-grade Shatterproof, the ultimate shield for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. The Tocol protector is custom designed to perfectly fit your iPhone 16 Pro Max, with a 101 3D curved edge that hugs every curve of your screen. No corners left uncovered, no dust or scratches creeping in. It's like giving your phone an armor that fits flawlessly. This protector is no joke. With its advanced triple ion exchange technology, the hardness level exceeds 900 H. That's tougher than most standard protectors out there. Whether you drop your phone from a height or face everyday impacts, Tocol ensures your screen stays flawless. The best part? The auto installation technology makes setup super easy. Simply align the frame, press, and let it do the work. With a 99.99% success rate, it's foolproof. Now, moving to the last one is ESR Screen Protector. Here's a question for you. What's the one thing that can ruin your iPhone 16 Pro Max experience in an instant? Yep, it's that dreaded cracked screen. But with the ESR Screen Protector, you can kiss those worries goodbye. The ESR Protector is designed just for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It comes with an ultra-fit tray for a quick, precise application. No guessing, no hassle. Plus, the included cleaning kit and dust-repellent adhesive ensure a bubble-free, perfect fit every time. One of my favorite features? The advanced micro-nano adhesive technology. It guarantees a flawless, bubble and dust-free installation so you get a pristine, crystal-clear screen, just like the day you got your phone. Made from armorite glass, this protector can withstand impacts of up to 110 million rows. That means your screen is safe from drops, bumps and scratches, keeping your iPhone 16 Pro Max in mint condition. ESR goes the extra mile with a 12-month protection plan, lifetime support, and easy-to-follow setup videos. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 16 Pro Max screen protectors 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.